The figure below is made up of 3 overlapping identical squares, so all of them are same in area. They told us that 1/8 of square B is shaded while 1/4 of square C is shaded. Then ask for what fraction of square A is shaded, express the unshaded area as a fraction of the total area, blah blah blah. Do you realize the past couple of questions we did for area and perimeter are all overlapping areas? Why? It's because this type of question always comes for examination. Perpetually, because why? It's actually one of the more difficult type of questions for area and perimeter. It's not the most difficult, but it's one of the more challenging kinds. So we can probably expect that to come up for your own prelim papers, I'm guessing. So take note. Okay, so they said that 1/8 of B is shaded and 1/4 of C is shaded. By the same area, right? Since they're the same area, I'm gonna give each of them 8 units. Okay, I'm going to call each of them 8 units. 8 units here, 8 units here, 8 units here. Now, if I give 8 units to this, and they told us that 1/8 of B is shaded, which means that this one is what? This one is 7 units. And this one, whoops, my arrow is a bit off tangent. Okay, so this one must be 1 unit. So 1 unit plus 7 unit equals 8 unit. Now, how about this? They said that 1/4 of C is shaded. What is 1/4 of 8 units? Okay, it's just 8 units divided by 4, right? So which means that this one is 2 units. So if this 2 unit, this one is 6 unit, because 8 unit minus 2 unit will give you 6 unit. Now, since they're identical triangle, this is also 8 units. If you take 8 units minus 1 minus 2 is 8 minus 3 units. 8 minus 3 units will give us 5 units, so this will be 5 units. Simple, right? So this is the method that I always teach my kids for all the overlapping area, right? Just go and do this method. It is the best method to help you to visualize. Now, they ask what fraction of square A is shaded. You see, without any working, I'll be able to give the answer. What fraction of A is shaded? It is 1 plus 2, 3 out of total, which is 8. Can you simplify this any further? No, you can't. Therefore, this is the final answer. Moving on to the next part. Say express the unshaded area as a fraction of the total area. Now, total area is what? Total area is not 8 plus 8 plus 8. It's not. Total area, you must minus off this overlap area. Okay? So it's actually 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6. It is not 8 plus 8 plus 8 because it is overlapped. Okay, for parents who are watching this, you need to teach your kids for this one. Once they are overlapped, right, the area doesn't count anymore. So you cannot include that inside. Okay, now let's just go ahead and do. They say that it's the express the unshaded area, right? So what's the unshaded area? It is 7 plus 5 plus 6. So 7 plus 5 plus 6. How as a fraction of total area? Total area will be 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6. 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6. What would that give us? 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 6, 18. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. See, my area is 21. It is not 8 times 4. Okay, it is not 24 units, it's only 21. Because the overlap area is 3 units. Okay, so is this the final answer? No, it's not. You have not simplified it yet. So divide each of them by 3, and then you'll be able to get 6 out of 7. This is how you simplify each of them. Alright, done.